Hey everyone! Want to unlock the best ever savings on NordVPN in 2025? You're in the right place. Stick with me. I'm going to share insider level tips, expert strategy, and exclusive discount codes that can slash your VPN costs by up to 73% or more, plus bonus free months, and transform your online security and streaming game in just a few minutes. Let's talk value. NordVPN isn't just any VPN, it's consistently ranked as one of the best overall VPNs in 2025 for its blazing fast speeds, top-tier privacy and security features, and unbeatable streaming performance. From basic privacy to advanced tools like threat protection, password management, encrypted cloud storage, and their powerful NordLynx protocol, it's built for both everyday users and hardcore security enthusiasts. Right now, NordVPN is offering some jaw-dropping deals. Think up to 73% off plus 3 months free on long-term plans. Some even go as high as 76% off with added perks like gift cards or extra months. These are real limited-time offers that you don't want to miss. Now let me pop in some affiliate-friendly codes you can confidently use. Save 73 free. 73% off plus 3 months free on 2-year plan. Prime 76 GC, 76% off plus Amazon gift card, up to $50 on Prime plan. Extra 6 months, get 6 extra months free with select long-term plans, student 15x, extra 15% student worker discount, basic shot, 60% off basic or 70% off plus with threat protection included. Note for you guys, the most accurate and live deal link is in the description. I keep it updated to make sure you always get the maximum savings. Just click the link below or in the top of the description box to get redirected automatically with the best discount. Here's the smart angle. This isn't just about coupons. NordVPN offers real benefits, ultra-fast servers, a strict no-log policy, threat protection, encrypted cloud storage, mesh networking, and more. You're not just saving money, you're investing in peace of mind, speed, and privacy. Also, by using the referral link, you support this channel at no extra cost to you, so I can keep bringing you the best deals and honest recommendations. So here's what to do. Click the link in the description right now to check and activate the best current discount. Choose a plan. I highly recommend the 2-year plan for max savings. Apply one of the codes if prompted, e.g. save 73 free or prime 76 GC, or just follow the link to auto apply. Enjoy your upgraded online security without paying full price. And don't forget, NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee means you can try it completely risk-free. That's your complete roadmap for redeeming NordVPN coupon codes in 2025. Maximum discounts, top-tier protection, and peace of mind, all with my expert affiliate guidance. Hit that link, claim your deal, and drop a comment to let me know what brought you here.